And of course, the Zenfone Max. Zenfone Max gives you the ultimate power for everyone, which is the ultimate volume, so you can see the world with ultimate energy. So let's just watch this video.
Yes.
Do you like your Zenfone Max, guys?
Yes.
Auto light. Okay, guys. Okay, 5,000 milliamperes monster battery for up to 38 days of standby time. But what else? With that, we're equipped with a quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage, and an IPS display with HD resolution. So with the 5,000 milliampere battery, you can also do 37.5 hours of 3G talk time, 32.5 hours of Wi-Fi browsing, and even up to 22.6 hours of video playback time. That's more than enough to keep you entertained the whole day. It has for the back cover of the color black Zenfone Max, it has a leather-filled back cover for a secure grip, while the one on my hand here is the white Zenfone Max. This has a white ceramic finish on the back. So it gives both phones or both colors a more secure grip when holding the Zenfone Max. Of course, don't forget that we also have laser autofocus on the Zenfone Max. And then Corning Gorilla Glass 4. So even our entry-level lineup or even mid-range lineup, we always equip our phones with the best possible technology, such as laser autofocus and Corning Gorilla Glass 4. So the Zenfone Max, see your world with ultimate energy, 5.5-inch smartphone with HD resolution, Qualcomm Snapdragon 410, quad-core processor with 1.2 GHz of speed, 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage. Special functions are leather back cover, laser autofocus. Of course, we have here a monster battery which is 5,000 milliamperes that can double as well as a power bank. For the price of 8,495 pesos.
Woo! Yes.
So, how do you like the price, guys?
Yeah.
Nakita niyo yung price of flyer kanina. Okay. So that's about it. That's about my intro for the rest of the lineup for Zenfones this Q1 2016. Thank you very much, guys.